Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Dailymotion on PC. Dailymotion is a popular video sharing platform where users can watch, upload and explore videos such as new clips, music videos, sports, highlights, documentaries and entertainment content. It works similarly to YouTube but has its own style, interface and community on a PC. Dailymotion is the best used web browser which gives a full access to all the features without needing to install heavy software. To use it effectively, you only need an internet connection. A browser like Chrome or Edge and optionally a free account for extra features. So to begin with, you need to open any of the browser you prefer, and in the top there's an address. For what you can do is type down dailymotion.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface here, you need to first make an account. One of the best thing about Dailymotion is that you can use it without creating an account as well. But over here what you can do is you can simply sign up or log in here as well. As I'm going to type like my birth date here, you can select your gender as well, type down your password and select sign up over here. But if you want to sign up with your Google, you can simply do that as well. And over here you just made an account and you're into this interface of your Dailymotion as well. And over here under this Dailymotion, what you can do is you can simply watch any of the videos freely, browse trending content, search for specific topics as well, and explore categories. Simply click on any of the video thumbnail and it will start playing in your browser as well. So over here you need to watch a video on PC. Once you select a video over here under this home screen, here you can either use a play or pause button over here under this middle, and you can also adjust the volume in the right hand side. You can select how much volume that you want to prefer, and you can also change the video quality under this top right setting icon there as well. Over here you can select the quality, how much quality you prefer. You can go to this 180p, which is the HD quality, and the video player is simple and lightweight, making it smooth even on a slower internet connection. And if you want to switch to a full screen mode, what you can do is you can simply select to this full screen here and it will automatically gets bigger as well. And you can also use the search feature. In the top over here we can find this an option for the search feature at the top, and over here once you click onto the search bar you can type what you want, example music, and simply enter and browse results, and you can click any of the video. You can refine using search filters, and you can refine using a search feature of your upload date, duration and relevance as well. If you want to browse categories, Dailymotion organizes content into categories: your news, sport, music, movies and TV, gaming, style and technology. So over here what you can do is you can click onto this three-line icon in the top left corner here and go to your For You page, and here you can also explore trending content into each category. Over here you can go to this explore page as well and find all of the category that you prefer, and the step you want to like or follow and save videos. And if you already have an account, you can simply interact with the videos as well. As I'm going to select one of the video, if you want to like any video you enjoy, you can follow the creators to see more content. You can simply go to this like icon here on the bottom left here, and it has been liked. You can also go to your likes if you want to. You can share this video with your friends, or you can also bookmark this video to come back again. Then over here you can click onto this more icon here, and if you want to add to this playlist you can simply do that as well. If you want to follow the creator, you can click onto this follow here, and this helps you build a personalized video feed as well, and creating a playlist as well. You can create playlists like favorite music, study videos, entertainment clips, and the next thing is uploading your videos. If you want to upload content, so make sure you have already signed into your account. And in order to do that, in the top right corner there's a profile icon here. You can go to the studio, and under this studio you'll get into this interface. Again, you can now choose whether to allow or prevent third parties from using content. AI training, you can also manage the settings. If you want to add or upload your video under this Dailymotion, you can click onto this add video here, and the right hand side is an option for the drag and drop up to 10 videos. You can select to the select videos, and it can browse through your library here, and you can simply select the video or the music audio as well. Here you can select this conversation opener. Once you type down this conversation opener, this message appears in the comment section to encourage engagement and kick off the conversation within your community. And you can also enter the description of the video or the music that I've just uploaded as well, and you can select the category, which category it belongs to as well. If it belongs to animal, cars, entertainment, you can select one of the category here, and you can also select the language which it belongs to. After that, if you want to add subtitles here, you can click onto this add subtitles here, and you can select the language as you prefer and simply click on one of the language and that is it. And you can go to this next in the bottom right, and here you can also select for this create for the kids. If you create for your kids, if your content is mainly for the people that are under 16 or 16, you need to label it as a created for kid by clicking onto this created for kid. But if it is not, if your content is mainly for the people that are 16, and if you have any sensitive content, you can simply toggle on this label here. If your content could be upsetting or offensive, it won't be shown to under 18 or users who have activated the sensitive content filter as well. And if it is an AI generated content, what you can do is simply toggle it on. You can use this label if your content was created or edited using AI or similar tool as well. And if you want to allow or disallow comments, you can simply toggle it on or off as per your preference here. And you can also select this paid partnership. If you have been paid or received anything affiliated from a brand, product or similar, you need to label this as a paid partnership as well, and click onto this next on the bottom right again. And you can also select the visibility that you want to. You can choose who can see your content for the privacy. If you want to see anybody can watch this video, you can go to this public, but if you want only person that with link can watch, you can go to this private here, and you can save it on the bottom right. And that is it. Your video will start uploading, and uploaded videos will appear on your channel as well. When using Dailymotion on a PC, the platform is not only for watching videos but also for managing creator account. If you upload content, you get access to the tools like analytics, earnings, and profile settings. And these features help you understand your audience, track performance, and manage your account. So in order to check that, in the top right corner, there's a profile icon here. Go to the studio. Over here under the studio, in the left hand side, we can find there's an option for the analytics here as well. So what you can see is all of the video views, your uploaded watch time, audience demographics, viewers, locations and engagement, likes, shares and comment. What it matters is analytics helps you know which videos are popular, improve content strategy and understand your audience better. And below this, we can find there's an option for the earning as well. And Dailymotion allows eligible creators to earn money through ads and monetization programs. Ads are shown on the videos you earn based on videos and engagement. Revenue depends on audience, location, and ad performance. And where to check this on is over here under this earning here, you can find this estimated revenue, daily or monthly income, monetized views, and payment status as well. And not all accounts are monetized automatically. You may need to apply for the monetization approvals. Payment threshold must be reached before withdrawal. Over here. In the top right corner again, we can find there's an option for the account setting. You can click onto this account setting here and go to this account. You can also check your profile details management here. You can also change the username if you prefer. You can also select the profile name, and if you want to add anything about you, your bio tells you, then you can simply type down your bio here as well. And here you can also select the country that you prefer. And over here you can also select the country which you live in. And the last thing is to log out. Logging out is important when using public or shared computer. And in order to log out here, in the top right corner, we can find there's an option for the account setting. Under this account setting, we can find there's an option for the logout here. Click on to this logout, and that is it. And always log out on public computers. Use a strong password. Enable verifications. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.